Welcome. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to view your active sessions on Facebook. Whether you're checking for security reasons or just curious about where your account is signed in, this updated method will show you everything step by step. So let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Once the app loads, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This is often called the menu icon. This will open up a list of options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where all your account controls are located. Now, under the section titled Your Activity, find and tap on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of your actions and logins. You can review many types of activity here, but what we're looking for is specifically your active sessions. Once you're in the activity log, look for the part labeled Logged Actions and Other Activity. You'll see a small arrow beside it. Tap on that arrow. From the list that appears, choose Active Sessions. Facebook will now show you a list of every device that's currently logged into your account. You'll see the type of device, the location, and the time of the most recent activity. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If you notice any devices or locations you don't recognize, it's a good idea to log them out immediately. To end a session, simply tap on the device and select the option to log out. Doing this will instantly disconnect your Facebook account from that device, keeping your information secure. And that's it. You now know how to check your active sessions on Facebook with the latest layout and settings. Keeping an eye on your login history is one of the best ways to protect your privacy and make sure your account is safe.